Hey guys, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my Toyota Sienna minivan. I am currently converting this into my part-time camper. I did live in a giant cargo van for about a year, and I decided that I would like a stable home instead, but I still want a camper and an everyday driver. So I purchased the Toyota Sienna, and I still love it after driving it for a couple months now. It is so luxurious up there. It's such a smooth ride. It's all-wheel drive. And now that I have started the build, I'm starting to realize how secure everything is going to be in here because of all of the different mounting points there are on the floors and the walls. It's a super versatile vehicle to build into a little camper van, and I'm really happy with my decision. I am almost done with my floor, which is so exciting. All I have left to do is seal the bottom of the plywood and apply the tile on top, and then this part of the build will be complete. My bed will be over there, my kitchen will be back there, and that is what we're going to be talking about today. Yes, I am going to have a kitchen in my minivan because what camper doesn't have a little kitchen? I'll have a stove, a microwave, and this beautiful dual fridge and freezer by ICECO. With this build will come several product review videos. They are all products that I have chosen for my van. I have reached out to these companies. These are what I have done research on and decided are the best fit for my minivan build. And today we're going to talk about my dual fridge and freezer by ICECO. This is the APL35. It is made from aluminum. So this is their ultra lightweight model, which is perfect for a minivan because, as you guys know, weight is so important when it comes to any build. For stability, security, and gas mileage, you really want to keep the weight as low as possible. So when I found out that ICECO has this ultralight version, I was stoked because not only is it super light, but it still has both a fridge and a freezer. Check this out. You have a large portion over here. You have a smaller portion over here. There are lights, which I actually didn't even know until just now, but that is so cool. So when you open it, there are lights that turn on. So if it's the middle of the night or you don't have much light around you, you can see what's in there. And you can program all of this on your phone. So you can either make this the freezer side and this the fridge side, or vice versa, or you can make it all a freezer or all a fridge. I decided to make the larger side my freezer because I actually travel with a lot more frozen goods than I do refrigerated. I know that's kind of weird, but I make a lot of smoothies. I have a lot of microwavable stuff, which is why I'm going to have a microwave in the van. And yeah, it's just such a great fit. I'm only going to be using this van for maybe a couple weeks at a time. It's not going to be a full-time living situation, so I have no concerns about the size of this. It's plenty big enough for the food that I will be traveling with. The overall dimensions are 27 inches long by 14.5 wide, and it's almost 16 inches tall. And this is honestly the perfect size for this minivan. If I went any bigger, it would take up way too much room. So this is the perfect size for me. Another perk to having this in here is if I ever want to go grocery shopping while I'm not using this as a camper, I can store food in here if I have other things that I need to get done before I go back to the house. I actually have used this for that, and it's such a game changer. You don't have to worry about food spoiling in your car, and it's so nice. I have also used this to host a party so that people didn't have to go walk over to the fridge in my kitchen. All they had to do was grab their drinks out of the cooler from the living room, and it was so convenient. I love how beautiful this model is as well. It's a matte black color. You can also get it in a silver aluminum color. But honestly, I can't wait to cover this in stickers from the places that I travel to because it's gonna have such a beautiful contrast with them. And I just can't wait. It's gonna be so great. The way I'm going to be powering this while I camp is with my 1800-watt Anchor power station, and that will be plugged into a DC outlet in the back of my van. So the power station will charge while I drive. I might eventually install a solar panel as well. And that will also charge the power station. And this has to constantly stay plugged into the power station in order to remain running. There is no battery in it. It is very efficient in its normal setting, but it can also be set to an eco setting. And I love it because it can last about 2 days on my power station without charging it at all, which I find pretty impressive. I think 2 days is a really good amount of time to be running just off of a 1800-watt power station. It does cool down super fast as well. I'm sure the size and the material help with that. It's insulated very well. It can cool from 77 degrees to 32 degrees in 11 minutes. You can also purchase an insulating cover for it, and that will make it last even longer on your power station or power setup, whatever you have. And there are some other add-ons that you can buy for these as well. They sell tracks, so if you wanted to mount this underneath your bed and pull it out through the garage space, you can put it on a track. The last big selling point of this dual fridge and freezer for me is the quiet operation. It is less than 32 decibels. Honestly, if it bothers you, you could think of it as a white noise machine. I love sleeping with white noise, and I actually really appreciate the very quiet hum that it gives off. But with any fridge and freezer, you're going to get some noise as it kicks on and off. But this is really quiet compared to any fridge I had in my van or my Airstream. ICECO also offers a 5-year warranty on their compressors, but I don't see myself needing to use that at all. The quality is obviously there. This thing is very well built. It is beautiful. It is small, it's lightweight, it's compact. It is the perfect dual fridge and freezer for my minivan kitchen. I am very happy with this product. There will be a discount code in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from ICECO. I highly recommend their products and their customer service. They've been really awesome to work with. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. There will be more product reviews for this van build on other appliances that I have chosen for it. And don't forget to stay tuned for build videos as well. I am so new to this, it's not even funny. I kind of have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm having a good time doing it. So I will share all of that eventually, and I will see you guys next time.